Hello, everybody. Today I will share with you what I know about volatile organic compounds and aerosols and why these are important considerations in dog culture review. So, first off, what is an aerosol? A gaseous suspension of fine solid or liquid particles, liquid droplets in the air, or other gases. So, that's what an aerosol is. This can be CO2, can be gases that come from feces and other things. So, what about the volatile organic compounds? So, these are emitted gases or certain solids. There are a variety of chemicals. These volatile organic compounds, they have short and long-term adverse health effects. So, these aerosols, they are also known as volatile organic compounds. So, in this article I'm showing you right now, they're talking about like smoke and dust and stuff like that. But dogs also produce these compounds. They produce CO2, feces particles, and they produce dander and dust. They bring dust into our lives. And these are very unhealthy compounds. So here's a picture that shows you some aerosols. These are fine particles that are aerosols. Here is pet dander. It's one of the smallest ones. So with an aerosol, a smaller particle can attach to the aerosol and then get into your lungs. We have a virus particle and a pet dander particle. Notice it's also shaped like one of those things that gives us flat tires on our bicycle tires. So this is dangerous because with pet dander in the air, you are giving a free ride to a virus particle. The scientific community has proven this. Here's one article that we can look at, and there's many other articles from the Institute of Health and other places. So CO2 is an aerosol. Carbon dioxide is an aerosol. Another thing that dogs produce, and it helps the virus. So not only do the aerosols of CO2 from the dog help the virus, but the aerosol of the dander can help the virus. Any type of aerosol that's in the air can help deliver the virus to your lungs or other places in your body or to other people. For example, if you don't have a virus, but they have a virus and you show up and you have a lot of pet dander on you and you shake around a little bit and that goes in the air, now you're more likely to get their virus. Maybe you're sitting there holding your dog and your dog is breathing CO2 in the air. That is an aerosol that can help the virus move around the air and live longer and infect you easier. Notice they cite this fact from scientific and medical studies. CO2 concentration profoundly affected the infectivity of a virus. So, two aerosols are coming off of dogs that can help deliver viruses to your body easier. And those aerosols, they are volatile organic compounds. And volatile organic compounds, one of the reasons that they're such a problem is because they damage your epithelium layer. So, your epithelium layer is being damaged by the thing that is help carrying your virus to the epithelium layer. And dogs produce at least two things that are aerosols and that are of volatile organic compounds. So another thing that a dog brings into our life is feces. Feces themselves produce volatile organic compounds. We know this because studies are being conducted to look at the volatile organic compounds from feces to determine how sick you are. So that's basically like looking at how bad your poop smells to determine what sickness you are, but they're actually measuring the gases. So, without a doubt, feces also are bringing these volatile organic compounds into our air. So, something you might notice that dog owners do, they will smell their dog farting and they will think it's funny. They'll post up little pictures of it, but they're breathing in volatile organic compounds. Now, they're going to say that it's just gas. However, in this article, they actually talk about how it's been proven it's not just gas. It turns out if someone farts naked near your nose, you could inhale bacteria contained in the airborne bacteria-laden droplets. So, do dogs wear clothes when they poop and fart? No. Do they wipe themselves? No. So, these volatile organic compounds are coming out of not just the front, but the back of these dogs. So, notice nitrogen, methane, hydrogen, CO2, volatile methyl sulfides. These all are responsible for the odor that comes from feces. And that's what dogs smell like. They smell like all of these gases. And boom, volatile organic compounds. When you're sitting there sniffing dog poop and sniffing those dog farts, you are sucking in all of this stuff into your lungs. And some of these volatile organic compounds are also aerosols that carry viruses and other bacteria right into your lungs, right into your mouth, right into your eyeballs. So that has been a look at volatile organic compounds, pet dander, aerosols, and how they can be a danger to you. If you'd like to know more, I'll put the links in the description. And this video is going to be a recommended video for my upcoming video where I'm going to cover some questions that we should be asking people when dogs are in healthcare settings, inside of daycare settings, inside of surgery recovery rooms and hospitals, because these dogs bring a health risk wherever they go. And so many of these dogs are now being brought into all types of medical facilities, public transportation, and even food preparation facilities. So, see you guys in the next one. Hope you like this information. See you later.